Them pack me up a whole heap of Corona paper. I don't know why they might give me all the paper to can't come on my yard in a Corona time. Like me, then here's some yard breed Corona here.
And on we'll go.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. You always a watch. What's up? Big up on yourself. Listen, it's about after 10 right now, somewhere to 11, I'm not sure, but I really wanted to do this video before I go to bed. So as you guys can see, me kind of prep. I'm ready for bed. My teeth brush, my hair right now, it has some contour in it because in the morning I wanna install a wig. I gotta get up from about 4:30 somewhere about. I have work in the morning and I have quite a lot of stuff to do before work, so it is what it is. I have orientation for 3 days, and as me said, it is what it is. So what this video is really about, I'm going to be doing a PAYLESS shopping haul. I didn't purchase a whole bunch of jing bang, but I purchased some stuff that I'm gonna do a little review on, let you guys know if I recommend you guys to get it, and just a little chit chat back here and there and all of that. So yeah, as me said, if you're not subscribed and you're new, subscribe. You always are watching, you still not subscribe, like, why y'all watch and you not subscribe? I don't mind over here. So these are laundries that wash and fold up and for take up, and the time not there. Like, I know some of you guys can relate. Yep, we don't always have the time to do everything. So yeah, so first I'm gonna start off with, I gotta work shoes. If you guys haven't watched my video where I went shopping in PAYLESS, go ahead and check out that video. I'll link it here on the card and it will be in the description box. So I got this what brand is this? Dex Flex. Is it Dex Flex or the company? Let's see. Yeah, Dex Flex comfort. Lord, now I'm more that go. Be a Corona supposed to depend that. I wear like a size 7 or a size 8, and what happened is that the one in 7.5 can't fit me. So the way they make, because there was this shoe there in 7.5 that was too big, so my foot kind of weird. This is how they make 7.5 wide does not fit me. If the shoe make a weird, it's a bit too big. Anyways, I got this shoe right here. The brand is Dex Flex Comfort, and it is like a PAYLESS brand. The insole inside is really, it's comfortable. It feel okay. It feel good. You know, feel no way. As me say, it feel comfortable. It feel good, and as you can see, the insole inside, and I see the insole inside is like, it has a pad. It has a pad to it. It's padded, and yeah, it is suede as well. As you guys can see, it is suede. I go for suede, and I like the fact that the big heel to it. It kind of have this nice teacher look. It's like, it has say, you girl, yes, you understand? So fix up about the lighting because I did kind of fix it to show or the shoes inside look. So yeah, and it come with this because style and comfort, experience your own premium memory foam insole and all day wearability, happiness for your feet, and little Spanish something inside also. Another part here, and yes, so this is an 8, so it's just a regular 8, not 8 wide or 8 nothing. And it came in this box But them give me one scandal bag, but everybody can see everything on me I buy now. I'm not exaggerate, I'm not sure no. Look. Then give me the bag here and look here. I saw me have to walk with it on the road because I never carry no bag. And I know police have to say that people give PAYLESS bag. Like them always have nice recycled paper bag, and I list them out and I come put Planet Boat. What? Planet where they? Planet Republic, Think, Sustainable, and all them garbage. Like I said, this is a scandal bag. Scandal bag. Them have a trick people about planet this, planet that. Anyways, so they had the sale where you purchase 2 stuff and you get 1 free. So I just went ahead and purchased 2 stuff because I really needed a bag. So and I was thinking about at first to get a shoe, and I was waving my mind not to get a shoe, and then me going there, me see them have to buy 2 get 1 free. So I'm like, why not just get the extra one kind of pay me go pay for? So that's what I did. I got the extra one because I'm paying me go pay for, which me pay for because when I check it up in my head, it would be so much money. And when them calculate and tell me, it was about almost $10,000. But anyways, them not work out them prices for them money don't make. Anyways, I got this this bag. What is mini chichi? Minichi. All these brand brands. I've never owned something in this brand before. Here is it. I've never owned something in this brand before. Anyways, I'm all for the color. The color is what caught my eyes. I like the color. What's up? All of the light in my car? All of them look up already? I don't want nothing. We're having a conversation about garden light people. Yes, anyway, and that was Babe. So if you wanna know who Babe is and the first time I watched some video, go check out my channel. Just scroll through and you guys will know. Anyways, lighting have to fix up back. The ring light here, I need to upgrade it. I grow you out. You ring light too small for me now. I grow you out, brother. I grow you out. Yep. So alright. This bag now. So for this bag, no, this was $4,295. I felt like they stick me up, and that's how I was feeling today now. I'm like, them stick me up and say, give me everything you have. You know, I go to them store, you want something. Alright, you see with me now, I did went in other store. I went in this store in Ochi called MK Fashion. They have a bag like something similar to this. They had something similar to this, but the only it had this design. The entire bag had this design out here, so. And I do not want that bag. It's like it wasn't a problem, because if you guys go watch that video, the bag wasn't a problem. But you see, for me, I'm not cheapness, you know, at the quality. I like have my bag and can walk for now with my bag for 2 years and going. Like how I have my Tommy Hilfiger bag that has been taking me ever since I came from New York. I eat my inner, me no left it to it no left me. No, the Angler left me now. The Angler left me now. The Angler strip off people. Angler strip off and anyways. So this bag, I guess it's a so-called brand, so it workable. Yeah, it workable because a so-called brand. Alright, so this part now, right over here, it has a partition for right here. It has a partition for right here, so, and then you can put a little purse here, so if every time you know go down in here, so, and you put your purse and you have a little button where you can, yeah, clip it and go. Alright, well I have the zip. I think I want. Oh, I think you know we see like a black summer and I started with thread. Can me that carry it back, you know? But I carry it back, you know? But I wear that work and carry it back. I can't stay there. Then pack me up a whole heap of corona paper. I don't know why they might give me all the paper. If you can't come on my yard in a corona time, let me. Then here's some yard breed corona here. So in the bag, it has a whole lot of space inside here. A whole lot of space that you can fit your little laptop. You can put a little laptop. You can put any little thing. Any little. Me I look, you know, and me I say trade. Me I say trade. Me I say. Where them trade I come from? My $5 I want one. When you don't play with me, no? Don't play with me, no? Anyways, them have a little partition right here. You can put any little thing here, so and one there beside it, and they have one little zip area right in here. So yeah, and this is the back part. The handle is okay for me, so you know, yeah, it's okay. Like it, as I said, it's the color for me. It's absolutely the color for me. Alright, so let's go to bag number 2. I feel heavy. The only for corona paper in it, people. Alright. Cristiano Serrano. Is it Cristiano Serrano? Okay, Cristiano Serrano. This is it, people. Bag number 2. Let's tone down the lighting to show you all. This is it right here. And it has like a handle right here, which I'm not the type of person to carry a bag on my side dropping down. So we'll probably I gonna lose this part right out here or so for right now, because it's not me. Not to be realistic of that. I'm not the type of person I'm a handbag fling from the side. My handbag in my hand or anywhere I saw. So alright. I like the interior, the corona paper, yeah. Like people, I don't want them extra protect from me. I don't know one of them what them did there. Sure. So inside now, when I got this bag, the lady was like, "Did you know that somebody just got this bag, the red one?" And I was like, "Really?" And I was like, "Really?" I'm gonna say, I don't want a red bag. I want a red bag for it. Practically, I got park 85% of the year. So I do a red bag. One black bag I'm ready to just sell this soon. Black, I don't have to wash it down at all. I can't just wear it till it's done. So I got this bag. They have this part right here. It's like a partition. You know, I have nothing to protect now. So I wouldn't tell you to put your wallet or anything there. So no. But then I have one zip part right here. So where you can come ahead and put your purse down in there. I just my purse I will go with there. You can put your purse down in there, so, and then you just have 2 little pockets and put a lip gloss or anything. And if you have like a silver like a gin bag, you have one zip section down here, and you put your money and you just zip it up from the criminal. Oh, they have two non-protected parts. So people who are asleep. Oh my god. Alright, so let me stick me up and take my money. How much? I need so much money for the one, yeah? So weird. I want what they charge me for. I thought I got this one free. I don't make it free. I don't want to make it free. This bag right here is $4,895. You hear me say? 4,000. Never take that time. Never go in here. 4,895. But they're not send me an idiot. Them stick me up, people. Stick me up. Yeah, come to the store. Look at my cheap store. And that I'm going in and say, no, can't come. You say I was spending money? I'm something the man. Take it to this like work for it. I will robbery. I'm done with them. Anyways, I really needed the bag. Alright, this one was what? I don't want to make it free. Oh, the lighting gone. Where you gone? Where you go? One tear. Huh? You had the long sock. Anyways, people, I got those 3 stuff. I got the 2 bags and the 1 pair of shoe, and they're all for work. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I no can't see some more sleep. Oh, God, no more sleep. About 11 o'clock now. Anyways, if you guys watch this video till the end, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, like this video, share this video until another video or another vlog. Bye.